Just 3/4 of a mile to the beach and close to the Surfside and Garden City piers, this well-maintained and furnished 3-bedroom, 2-bath raised beach house is waiting for you. Located inside the desirable Salters Cove community in Murrells Inlet and only used previously as a second home, this beach house boasts neutral colors, laminate and tile flooring, comfortable and accommodating bedrooms, full-size laundry room, and fully equipped kitchen with plentiful storage. The spacious living and dining areas open to a large extended porch with a protective overhang. The convenient ground floor includes a full-featured garage with workshop and storage space and plenty of room for the golf cart, as well as ample space and overhead coverage for up to 6 vehicles. The Salters Cove community offers abundant amenities while keeping its HOA fees low. These amenities include lighted tennis courts, a playground, fully equipped clubhouse, and a beautifully situated lakefront pool. Living at the beach simply doesn't get any better. 813 Starboard Court in Salters Cove.